Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for how to earn money online Andrew Tate style in 2026, this is the deep dive video you need. Andrew Tate, the controversial figure known as the Top G, has built a massive online empire, teaching people to escape the matrix and generate wealth through digital hustles. His platform, originally Hustlers University, now rebranded as The Real World, promises step-by-step blueprints for making money online, and it's still active and evolving in 2026 with a huge community claiming real results. Today, we're covering everything: what Tate actually teaches, how his system works, the main money-making methods he pushes, current pricing and updates, success stories versus criticisms, and practical steps you can take right now even if you never join his program. Whether you're in St. John's, Florida, or anywhere else, this guide will give you the full picture so you can decide if it's for you or just use the core ideas to start earning independently. First, let's get real about Andrew Tate's approach to how to earn money online. Tate's philosophy boils down to mindset-first discipline, rejecting slave jobs, building multiple income streams, and scaling fast. He emphasizes action over theory, saying most people stay broke because they consume information without executing. His platform delivers this through campuses or courses led by professors who teach proven methods. In 2026, the real world has expanded with AI integrations, daily updates on new trends, and a focus on modern tools like automation and social media leverage. It's not free subscriptions, run around $49 to $99 per month, depending on the tier, but it includes community access, live chats, tasks, and affiliate incentives where members earn by promoting it. The core of Tate's system for how to earn money online revolves around these key methods taught in the real world. 1. E-commerce and dropshipping. This is one of the biggest campuses. You learn to find winning products, build Shopify stores, source from suppliers like AliExpress or CJ Dropshipping, and drive traffic via Facebook ads, TikTok, or organic SEO. Tate's team stresses testing small, scaling winners and automating fulfillment, so it's semi-passive. Students claim earnings from a few thousand to six figures monthly once stores hit scale. In 2026, with AI helping product research and ad creatives, this method is faster to launch than ever. 2. Copywriting and freelancing. Master persuasive writing to sell products through emails, ads, or landing pages. The course covers high-ticket client acquisition, finding businesses on LinkedIn or Upwork, delivering results and charging hundreds to thousands per project. Many start with no experience, build portfolios with mock work, and land gigs quickly. Freelancing extends to virtual assistants, social media management, or graphic design. The emphasis is on value-based pricing and retainers for recurring income. 3. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions, often 50% recurring. Tate's affiliate program is viral. Members get custom links and pages, then post content on socials or YouTube to drive signups. Some students report thousands from this alone by building audiences around motivation or wealth tips. 4. Content creation and social media monetization. Build attention on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or X. Tate pushes controversial, high-engagement content to grow fast, then monetize with ads, sponsorships, merch, or funnels to courses. In 2026, AI tools for video editing and scripting make this more accessible. 5. Stocks, crypto, and investing. Learn technical analysis, risk management, and spotting opportunities. Crypto Campus covers trading, holding, and emerging trends like DeFi. Stocks focus on multiplying capital safely, These require starting capital but aim for compound growth. 6. Other campuses like Amazon FBA, AI businesses, and more emerging ones like client acquisition agencies. How does it all tie together for how to earn money online Andrew Tate way? The platform uses a three-step process: learn the skill, take action, and scale with community support. There's heavy motivation daily mindset lessons, brotherhood vibe, and success stories shared in chats. In 2026, features include faster first dollar paths, exclusive Heroes Year commitments for accelerated results, and AI-enhanced tools across campuses. Real earnings examples from users. Some claim 500 to a few thousand in the first months from freelancing or affiliates, scaling to 10,000 plus monthly with e-commerce or retainers. One student reportedly made 25,000 from affiliates alone. Tate himself boasts massive figures, claiming over 30 million in early 2026 revenue, largely from subscriptions. The platform generates huge income through viral affiliates and low churn via community. But let's be balanced. Criticisms exist. Some call it oversaturated basics available free on YouTube, with high hype and motivational talk over deep tactics. Others note, most members don't earn. Big success requires massive action, not just joining. Legal issues around Tate and past platform drama add controversy. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's education plus execution. If you want to apply Tate-inspired strategies without joining, start with mindset commit to daily action. Cut distractions, track progress. Pick one method, say, freelancing copywriting. Learn free on YouTube. Build a portfolio. Pitch on Upwork or LinkedIn. Or e-commerce. Set up a Shopify trial. Research products with free tools. Test ads small. Build attention post daily on socials about your journey to attract opportunities. Scale reinvest earnings. Automate where possible. In 2026, AI changes everything. Use it for research, content, or ads to move faster. Tate's edge is the community and accountability replicate that with free Reddit groups, Discord servers, or accountability partners. Wrapping up, mastering how to earn money online. Andrew Tate's style is about relentless execution on digital skills like e-commerce, copywriting, and affiliates. The real world provides structure and motivation for many, but free resources work if you're disciplined. Start small today. Pick one skill. Learn for a week. Take action. If this breakdown helped, like the video, subscribe for more 2026 money-making guides, and comment, are you in the real world or going solo? What's your first step? Drop it below. Thanks for watching. Now go hustle. See you in the next one. Subscribe and follow for more ideas.